Hey, good day, ladies and gentlemen. I hope all of you are doing absolutely wonderful. I know I am. I just want to thank you for stopping by, having a look at another one of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. This one is about a little butterfly that I found soaring around through the gardens, and I just had to take a photo of it. Now, it was quite tricky getting this photo of this butterfly. As we all know, butterflies are quite energetic, to say the least. But yeah, I quite enjoyed taking this photo, trying to predict where the butterfly is going to land, and I thought that it looked absolutely beautiful having the white butterfly with the little orange marks on its wings sitting in the middle of a bunch of purple flowers. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.